super hot way. Where are we? We are in Exotic Auto Garage. Yes, we are here today. We have something special to see the one and only accuton. Yes, accuton. Come. Yep, here we go. We're gonna see some accuton. Let's go. Kanchong. Yep, nicely done by Exotic. Simple OEM area subwoofer, but of course modified with the best things inside there. Okay, then we have a Zapco 4 channel here. Let me show you. Zapco 4 channel. This is the 150 RMS. Hope you can see. Of course, with the favorite brand, Helix DSP Ultra. I'm not sure you can see the viablue. Yeah, you can see. Oh, this is viablue RCA. Of course, the Brex ML10 to pair with it. Let me show you the view. Amazing view. Keep it simple. Yep. There's one more thing here. I can't see. Actually, inside here is the 6-channel Zapco amplifier. So of course, first you have the nice Alpine 990 HDS 990. Of course, a Helix Ultra, you must have a DSP hidden here. Then it comes to the accuton. See here, nicely done. Let me give you a closer look of this accuton. Yeah, this is ceramic tweeters and the mid-range. First in Malaysia, and it landed in this car. Nicely done here. See, nicely done. Okay. Then of course, the mid base extended out, modify back with custom wood here, all custom back, gives back the accuton grills. One more look for you. Yep, give you a wide angle. Yep, this is the wide angle. Nicely done. Would like to thank the car owner. I don't think I'll be sharing sound because it's still running in, so it's not appropriate. Yeah, let's see, after 200 hours a retune will be done. So see you guys again. We will see this car in 6 months time or 8 months time. See you guys.